Hello, this is a different video from the Genuinely Approachable Sudoku. It is a puzzle from Logic Masters Germany. It's intended to be fairly simple, so let's look at this. Large and Small Circles by Sinya. The rules are normal Sudoku rules apply, so every column, every box has the digits 1 to 6. For circles of the same color, the larger the circle, the larger the number. So for the orange circles here, the larger the circle, the larger the number. If the size of the circles is the same, the numbers will not be the same. So along these diagonal lines, they increase in value. So a bit like a thermal. But it also has a secondary rule that circles of the same size cannot be the same. So these 4 small circles can't be the same. And yeah, so those are the rules. I will restart now. Let us begin. So if each of these act as thermals, I think 4 might be where we begin, because this must be somewhat large. It could be a 1, 2, and 3 though. So that is something. Although I'm wondering, yeah, because these 4 large circles have to contain different digits, and the large circles must be at least 3, because the large circle must be bigger than at least 2 different numbers, then they must be the different values 3, 4, 5, and 6. We can also, I think, identify which circle contains a 3. And how do we do that? Well, this can't contain a 3. The reason why is if it was a 3, then these 2 must be decreasing in order. The larger circle, the larger number. So it's a backward thermos, it looks like. So a 3 here would place a 2 there, which is not good, because there's already a 2 in the column. So that can't be a 3. This could be a 3 though, because a 3 would place a 1 there and a 2 there, so that's fine. But this can't be a 3, because that would place a 1 here, which coincides with this one. So that can't be a 3, meaning this is the only place 3 can go in these large circles. That is a 3, which goes down to 2 and 1. That is how it is forced. And we can do a similar logic with the medium-sized circles and in fact the small circles as well. Because each of the small circles must have 2 values larger than it, it cannot be more than 4. So the circles must in fact be larger than must in fact just be 1, 2, 3, and 4. So we can place those down. The medium-sized circles cannot be a 1, because there must be something smaller than it, and cannot be a 6. So they must be 2, 3, 4, and 5. So we can place them down. This can't be a 2, this can't be a 3, this can't be a 4, this can't be a 3. Those are the slim pick. This can't be a 4, so that's a 3. That can't be a 3, so that's a 5, which means this must be a 6, which is larger than that. This creates a 4-5 pair, which we know the order of, since they must increase. This can no longer be a 5, because this must be a 5 or less. And this therefore can no longer be a 4, so that is just a 2. This can't be a 2 or a 3, because of these 2 cells, so that is a 4. I guess now we know, yeah, because of this 4, that must be a 3. And because of this 5, this must be a 4, because they must contain different digits. So now we are done with all those. Time to just do normal Sudoku. That is a 6. These are 1 and 5, so that's a 1. That is a 5. Owing to this 5 here. This must be a 3, which must be here, and 5. That is a 2. And then, well, I'm blanking out. Sorry, that's a 4. Then we have 1, 6, 5. Not resolvable there. That must be a 6. This cannot be a 1. That's a 2. That's a 1. This is a 2, so that's a 6. This is a 1, 3, which is like so. That's a 6. Oh, 3 in the corner. Yay. That must be a 4. That's a 5. And then these are the normal ones. 1, 5 left, which are here and here. Looks good as far as I can tell. Puzzle is a good solution. That is fine though. We solved it in 3 minutes and 34 seconds. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.